History has it that an Indian won't take an insult lying back.
I'll beat you to a pulp. You understand English, Indian?
ओए विलायती पहलवान, तुझे तो मैं हर लैंग्वेज में मारूंगा.
That an Indian, when challenged, will fight back. Where reality ends and drama begins lies the zone of entertainment never seen before on Indian television. An unexplored mixture of scripted and non-scripted format. 100% Detanathan. 13 Indians trapped in South Africa, thousands of miles away from home, caught in unarmed fights with opponents like Kilimanjaro, Nightmare, The Blacksmith, Kuwaito Kid, Jason Steele, Tornado, and Anansi. Formidable enemies trained to hurt, maim, or if need be, destroy. 13 hand-picked warriors, sons of soil, each with his own dreams, aspirations and strengths. Despite their differences, they must stay together and fight to survive or fall apart and perish. As millions at home watch India's brave sons come together to fight back the villains on foreign soil, nothing will come in their way as they give their all to winning the most important battle of their lives. Featuring the legendary Dara Singh and popular actor Sharat Saxena. And hosted by the glamorous and spunky Isha Kopikai. The show is bound to grab eyeballs and imagination of audience across the country. In this relentless quest for glory, there are bound to be some threatening hurdles. Not all will be well among the Indian warriors. With envy, greed and ambition giving way to twists and turns that will keep the audience hooked and on the edge of their seats. Emotions, drama, adrenaline-filled action and an unpredictable plot where fiction meets reality and muscle power meets willpower. 100% Detanathan has an unusual recipe for compelling viewing, where the nation will be forced to take sides in a battle between the icons and the icans. Entertainment doesn't get edgier than this.
विदेशी धरती पे, विदेशी अखाड़े में
100% Detanathan, सिर्फ कलर्स पर.